Hi guys, good morning. It is super early. I'm not fully adjusted to waking up as early as I have been, but I told myself for the new year, for 2020, I definitely wanted to be more productive and get more things done, which definitely just requires me to wake up earlier. Just kind of wanted to quickly share this with you guys because this is what I've been using to help me wake up earlier in the morning. So this is actually a part of the clock on the iPhone. You can just set it to when you want to go to sleep and when you want to wake up. In the middle, it's showing me that if I go to bed at 10 and I wake up at 6, I'm getting a full 8 hours of sleep. And then you set your alarm with this, and as you guys heard, it's like a really peaceful like bird chirping sound, but it starts off really light to wake you up lightly, and then it gets really loud, obviously, the longer you go without waking up. But you just move these like here and adjust it to basically whatever you want, and honestly I feel like this has just helped me wake up a little bit earlier in the morning, and I personally didn't even know that that bedtime thing was available until probably like the past 6 months. So definitely I would recommend using this because it's something that helps me kind of get up a little bit easier in the mornings. So I just like to wake up in the morning. Obviously, I like to get something super healthy in my body to eat. So we're gonna head on over to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what I eat almost every single day for breakfast. And then this is the bread that I usually have in the morning. I'm seriously obsessed with it. You can get it from Whole Foods. Usually I will make this with maybe like avocado or something on top of it, but since I am gonna work out this morning, I like to go a little bit lighter, so I'm just gonna have 2 slices of this. It is seriously so delicious. You should definitely try it. Alright, so this is my little morning setup. I poured myself a little bit of a matcha as well, and then I will sit on the couch and get my work done while I'm eating my breakfast. And fun little question I have for you guys. Do you guys actually eat at your dining table? I find that I never eat at my dining table. So let me know in the comments down below. Are you someone that eats at your coffee table or do you eat at your dining table? All right, so in the morning, I like to get everything done that isn't related to like filming or content as far as YouTube goes. So I will go ahead and like check my emails in the morning, and then I'll get started most likely working on whatever room designs I'm working on. Right now I'm currently working on 3 different room designs. So I do actually do like room designing for you guys. It's a service that I offer online, and basically I just design your room based upon the size and whatever your budget is. So you guys will send in like pictures or video, and then I'll decorate it accordingly. And then I also will send over an itemized shopping list based upon like whatever your budget is for the things that I picked out, so you guys can go ahead and purchase those, and then that is kind of like how you can do a fun room makeover with me. So I've been offering that for like 2 years now. I just never really talk about it in a video. So I will get that done in the morning. It's that time of the morning where I like to just get my workout over with. So I'd like to say a huge thank you to Fabletics for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you click the link in the description box to get 2 pairs of leggings for $24, and definitely check out my favorite leggings, which are the high-waisted PowerHolds. I love those. For Fabletics, all you have to do is go on their website and take a style quiz, and it's going to basically personalize an outfit recommendation and several recommendations based on what your personal style is. And definitely make sure you enter your email after you take the quiz, because they're gonna send you like exclusive monthly discounts and everything. So here I'm just showing you some of my favorite outfits of the month. I just absolutely love the overall quality as well as how affordable these outfits are. They're super fun. I also personally love to have the actual sets, but then I also like to mix and match. All the leggings also have pockets, which is awesome. And these white ones have like this really nice lattice detailing on them. So I love the attention to detail, as well as you're getting all these details as well as good quality at such a great price. So definitely check out Fabletics. I'm gonna have it linked in the description box down below. But I just find that when I'm wearing like cute, fun, active wear, I am just more motivated So if you saw anything from Fabletics that you liked in today's video, definitely head on over to the description box and click that link because the designs do change every single month. So you wanna jump on something when you see something you like really quickly when it comes to Fabletics. All right, now that I have my cute little Fabletics outfit on, I'm ready to go. And unfortunately, I can't really show you guys this portion of the video due to copyright, but I basically have a spin bike in my apartment now. It's super small and compact. Very convenient to be able to just work out from home. I find that it's just a lot easier to not make up an excuse to work out when it's right in front of you. Also, it saves me a lot of time. I don't have to drive all the way to a gym and then drive back, as well as I'm saving a lot of money on the classes. I just go ahead and pop on YouTube. There's actually a ton of spin classes on YouTube that you can just check out. So I'll put one of those on my TV, complete that spin class, and then after I'm done working out, of course, I'm gonna shower and then get ready. So now that I'm out of the shower, I just kind of dry shampooed my hair, did a very low heat on the flat iron just to touch up my hair because I am trying to still protect it as much as I can. And then I'm gonna quickly get ready. I just put back on a Fabletics top because I think this top is like not only cute for just working out, but I'm gonna wear it out today with like some high-waisted black jogger pants. So to get ready, I'm like super simple. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of eye cream. I have a little mirror down here. And I just put that on and just kind of like let it sink in while I put on the rest of my makeup. And then I've been loving the Gimme Brow by Benefit, super like old school throwback. I hadn't used it in years, but I just kind of ran out of what brow product that I had before. So I was like, why don't I try this again? And I actually like love it. I think it's so good. So I just like put a little bit of that on my eyebrows, and then I love just like putting a little bit of the translucent setting powder on my skin, just like in places that kind of get a little oily throughout the day. I learned like over time that I shouldn't put like a ton of like colored makeup on my skin and just try and cover things up. I can like find little things like this that will just kind of, like I said, just control the oil a little bit, and that's really all I care about. I know that my skin isn't gonna be like perfect, but lately it's been looking really good, so I'll do that. And then lastly, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara on my top lash, and then I actually think that's all that I'm gonna do today for makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much my quick little routine that I do. Nothing crazy. I don't like to wear a ton of makeup, especially because I'm just gonna go out probably to pick up some things for a room makeover that I need to get done. I need some form of like office with a ton of storage. So I think I'm gonna convert my dining area into that, but before I leave, I do need to print out some labels for some packages. And then lastly, I just need to do a few little things on my new little home decor shop, Good Vibes Home. You guys have been loving it so far, so a huge thank you to anyone who already made a purchase. I did ship out everything so far, but something did sell this morning, so I'm gonna also have to go ahead and get that shipped out. All right, so that pretty much, I think, sums up my morning routine. As I mentioned, I like to get a lot of the important things done early in the morning, so my workout is already out of the way, getting it done in the morning so I don't make any excuses throughout the day. I packed up the package that I needed to, so that will be the first thing that I do when I leave here, is I'm gonna ship that off. As well as I did finish that room design. I wish I could share them with you, but I don't want people like stealing the ideas, if that makes sense, since this is a service that I offer that people pay for. It's not really fair to share that with you guys, but I hope that she loves her room, and then I'm gonna head out and get the rest of the things done that I need to for the day. Probably head over to IKEA and pick up the things I need for the room makeover. Then when I get back, I'll finish the other 2 rooms. So I think that's a great start to my morning. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is just my little productive morning routine. I highly encourage you guys to start waking up earlier. Definitely use that bedtime feature if you have an iPhone. The description box down below will have all the information on Fabletics, so definitely go ahead and check them out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!